नाजरीन अस्सलाम वालेकुम। IND टुडे न्यूज में आपका खैर मकदम करते हैं। आइए देखते हैं ये तफसीलात।
शहर हैदराबाद में 3 रोजा हज एंड उमरा एक्सपो का आज इख्तिताम अमल में आया। KLCC कन्वेंशन हॉल शमशाबाद में मुनक़िदा इस एक्सपो में सऊदी अरब की 39 और हिंदुस्तान की 27 कंपनियों ने हिस्सा लिया। इस एक्सपो में हज उम्रे की तिजारत और आज़मीन को फराहम की जाने वाली सहूलतों के बशमूल कई उमूर पर तबादला ख्याल किया गया। हैदराबाद के अलावा मुल्क के मुख्तलिफ शहरों मुंबई, बेंगलुरु, लखनऊ और चेन्नई के अलावा बरतानिया और श्रीलंका के ट्रैवल एजेंट्स और टूर ऑपरेटर्स ने भी एक्सपो में शिरकत की। सऊदी अरब के मरवान शहबान ने अपना एक स्टॉल लगाया था। हैदराबाद में ये अपनी नौयत का पहला और अनोखा एक्सपो था, जिसके एहतमाम में शेख तकीउद्दीन और महमूद बावजीर के अलावा मोहम्मद बिन अब्दुल्ला बाहयाल, मोहम्मद क़य्यूम पाशा और यम क़य्यूम ने अहम हिस्सा अदा किया।
It's an international event, as it used to be in some other part of the world. It started something like 2002, since the Umrah system by the government, organized Umrah system started. Mostly all countries it happens, most of the countries in the world. I think it is 2002, the first exhibition in this kind of platform. So we were, as a Saudi investors, Saudi tour operators, hotels, catering companies, transportation companies, we were really looking forward to happen the same thing here, because India is we are really very much happy for a wonderful event the team has organized this year here, and it's the first time such a big platform. And we think, most of the international service providers who came, they have been benefited much, and we thank the organizers, and we hope for the future, for the next year and coming years, all the years, this kind of big events will happen here, which supports Saudi operators in time. It makes the local operators here, they are behind the screen, making the event bigger and bigger. They will be benefited too. So it's a real big opportunity for us. Thank you.
Myself is Umar Siraj Akbar from Siraj Al Munir company from Saudi Arabia. I'm very happy to be in Hyderabad. We are saying today goodbye to Hyderabad and going back to Saudi with very much of sadness. We really wish to spend more time over here. As far as the event, we were amazed actually by the response of this first time taken exhibition in Hyderabad. It was a wonderful response. We were very happy and impressed by the response. The arrangement was good, and I'm very much sure that in the coming few years it will be improved more and more. We had the opportunity to meet our brothers and partners in India, and we will commit them to provide the best of services in the coming few years. Thank you so much.
My name is Hajj from company. I would like to congratulate the organizer of this event. It was really amazing, exceptionally successful. It was beyond my expectation, much higher than I expected. Keeping in mind that it was late in the season, and with short notice, the attendance is very nice. Our colleagues, exhibitors, are filling the big hall. Compared to many exhibitions I attended, I think it's one of the best. MashaAllah, tabarakallah. I just want to say congratulations and God bless you. Thank you.
This is Mahmoud Bawazir from Siraj Al Company, Saudi Arabia. ये फर्स्ट टाइम हम लोग ये एग्जीबिशन कंडक्ट करें इंडिया में। अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह इसका रिजल्ट बहुत अच्छा रहा। मीटिंग जो उम्रा कंपनी से हज के लिए काम करते हैं, तो उन लोग के लिए गुड अपॉर्चुनिटी लेके फर्स्ट टाइम हम इंडिया में आए हैं और ये अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह ग्रेट सक्सेसफुल हुआ। इंशाल्लाह ताला नेक्स्ट ईयर वी कंटिन्यूसली इंशाल्लाह कंटिन्यूसली अदर स्टेट्स में भी करने का इरादा है हम लोग का एग्जीबिशन। तो ये इवेंट को सक्सेस करने के लिए जो सऊदी अरेबिया के कंपनीज और लोकल इंडिया से जो कंपनीज आए हैं उनको सबको थैंक्स हमारी तरफ से, हमारे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की तरफ से। और इंशाल्लाह फ्यूचर में बस अपना ऐसे कॉपरेट रहा तो हम इंडिया में इससे और ज़्यादा बड़ा करने की कोशिश करें। थैंक यू वेरी मच। कंपेयर टू अदर कंट्रीज जैसे इंडोनेशिया, मलेशिया उससे बेहतर हुआ है इंडिया में फर्स्ट। हालांकि फर्स्ट टाइम ये नहीं है, बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा रिजल्ट है। तो यही बता रहे कि दुबई एटीएम में बड़ा एग्जीबिशन होता है। द सेकंड वन इज हैदराबाद इंडिया, यही बता रहा है। तेलंगाना गवर्नमेंट का सपोर्ट तो नहीं है सर, मतलब ये करने का ये रहा कि फर्स्ट टाइम इंडिया सऊदी अरेबिया से कंपनी प्लान लेकर आए ताकि B2B से एक दूसरों का ओपन हो, जो कि उम्रे का हो, हज का हो, ट्रांसपोर्टेशन के लिए डायरेक्ट।
I speak frequent Urdu, but I think when it comes to official buildings, it's very difficult.
First of all, I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Nabil Abdullah, retired engineer from Saudi Arabian Airlines, and I am representing as a marketing manager for 3 Umrah companies. The first one is Precise Planning for Umrah Services, which is under activation. The second one is Dar Riyadh for Umrah Services, which has already been activated. And the third one is Experience from House for Umrah Services, and still under activation. Before I reflect my impression about this exhibition, I'd like to thank and I'd like to raise a bundle of thanks to all the organizers, starting from the co-sponsor, the main sponsor, and the co-sponsors, and everybody has exerted huge efforts and time to make this exhibition very successful. Definitely the feedback which I have got from the first day was beyond my expectation and very successful. And I really hope that we continue organizing such organizations, inshallah, such exhibitions in the near future, inshallah. My pleasure to meet the Indian media, and my pleasure also to meet all the brothers, the other travel agents in India from all over the continent of India. So I wish you all the success, and I wish you the bright future, full of money and full of money. Thank you.
Opportunity for everyone to benefit from this. This was obviously so much efforts went into this to create this platform for both ends, providers and seekers. The Indian market obviously emerging as a potential one for the service providers in Saudi Arabia. So this was in fact a great success, I would say. We did not expect this kind of response. Thank God, alhamdulillah, this is very good. The participant and the sponsors, co-sponsors, they all went into this, and the turnout was great, response was so successful, and obviously the big kudos goes to the organizer, the little man with great heart. Where is he? Tafi. So he is the one behind everything. You know, you cannot imagine how much he did. He did not sleep for the last 1 week. So you just have to appreciate. This is the beginning, and inshallah, so we learn from this. If there is any shortcomings, we will just improve this, and we will come forward much more stronger, and we expect, inshallah, very good going forward. Thank you so much once again. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.